Hey everybody, what is up? I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a fire trap for your Radiant World at War custom zombie map. So, if you already have an existing map, that's better. So, the first thing you want to do is go in the link in the description, download the MC fire trap. Once you have it, you can pause this video at any time, by the way. Extract files, make sure you have WinRAR. I'll put all the links down below. And then once you extract it, you want to open it up. Open this. Now first thing you want to do is take your MC spinning traps, copy it, go to your World at War directory, then you want to go into your mods, go into your map that you want to put it in, and then go to your maps again, and then you want to place it in here. Just paste it. I already have it in here, so I'm not going to do that. Alright, that's step one done. Once you do that, go back into the trap file, and then we have map source. You want to open this, go to prefabs, copy this, and you want to go back into your World at War directory. And then you want to go into map source, prefabs, paste it in here. I already have it right here. And that's pretty much it. So, alright, now you want to open Radiant. Now you want to go to your map, go to Radiant, open your map. I already have them placed in here, but all you want to do is right click, go to MISC, prefab, the spinning traps. Then you want to place the fire bear trap. Actually, the fire trap first. You basically place, it's kind of hard to see it because it's kind of far like this. You put it down. It's going to be that way, but you just put it up like that. And then for the bears, you just same thing, right click, go to MISC, prefab, and you do the fire bear trap. I mean, this is pretty much just for looks right here, but so you basically just put it inside here. Something like that. I already have it here, so I'm just going to delete this. Alright, so once you have it placed where you want, I think these can also go on the walls too, or the ceiling. Alright, go to prefab again, MISC prefab, spinning traps, and then power switch. Where is it? Okay, well it's right here. You can pretty much put it anywhere. I put it right here, so let me get rid of this. And I figured out it costs $1,250, and there's no delay, so you're gonna have to edit that. You can edit the damage too. And I have it. I have one, two, three, four, and I guess one switch activates them all for some reason. But I kind of like it like that. I kind of want it to. So okay, after that, file save, and then the last thing you have to do is go to your back to your directory. You want to go into mods, your maps again, and your map GSC file. Open that, and you want to go Control F, type in zombie mode. You're looking for this right here. So where is it? So this right here I'll have in the description. copy it, and you want to paste it right under this. So it looks just like this. After that, file, save, and then that's pretty much it. So now you just want to go to your map. Uh, Make sure everything is checked in here. Build mod, I already did that, already compiled, so just compile it. And then you want to open your World at War.